How interactive whiteboard change your classroom? Let's study it today. Freely change pen color, smooth writing, build your colorful classroom from now on. Easily erase your contents. Say goodbye with chalk dust. Insert interesting elements. Make your contents become vivid. Freely change your background. Apply your imagination everywhere. One key: undo and redo. No need to worry about making mistakes. Save your time. Easy copy and move every contents. Just a circle drawing. Realize what you want. Support to turn multi-points writing from single-point writing. Easily realize multiple writing. One key to clear screen. Say goodbye with annoying whiteboard clearing job. We are Riotouch, focusing on smart interactive whiteboard. Contact us to learn more now.